Now, let me show you how you can respond with an emoji on your iPhone. So, for example, you might be on your phone and receive a message like this. So, I can just access it like that to see what the message is. How you doing, right? And if you want to respond with an emoji, the first option is to hold down on the actual thing like this on the text bubble, and at the top you have the reactions right there. So you can leave a thumbs up, laughing emoji, or question mark, heart icon, and so on. But you can as well scroll through them and find different emojis. So you have some basic ones, or you can click on the blank emoji at the end like this and choose from any of those which you have below. So let me pick something very specific like the eyes emoji or whatever. And now the reaction of eyes has been added as a response really of to that message, right? So if I go back to the messages like this, you can see that this is the message which we replied to or reacted to. But the other option is to hold down on it like this, and instead of choosing the reaction there, you can also click on reply like this, and then now we are specifically replying to that text message. So we can click on the emojis below, and then now we can not just react, but kind of like reply to it. So let me just choose this emoji, send it like that, and then now it is reply. As you can see, it is directly connected like this. So that's how we're going to do this. Let me know if it worked for you, if you managed to respond with an emoji to your text. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one, and I'll see you later in the next uploads.